In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost your personal productivity using Trello. If you ever feel overwhelmed with tasks, ideas, deadlines, or content planning, Trello can completely change the way you organize your work and your life. I'll walk you step by step through setting up a board, creating task lists, tracking progress, using labels, collaborating with others, and even viewing your tasks in different formats. Make sure you watch until the end so you can build a simple but powerful productivity system. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to your board. For this example, we're using a YouTube planning board, but you can use this exact structure for personal goals, work projects, study planning, or daily task management. If you don't already have a board, click on Create Board. Give it a clear name like Personal Productivity System or Weekly Planner. Choose a background if you'd like and click Create. Now you have a clean workspace to organize everything. Next, let's create lists. Lists are the vertical columns that organize stages of your workflow. For productivity, you can create lists such as ideas or brainstorming, research and planning, in progress, waiting or review, and completed. The key is to match these lists to your real workflow. This creates a visual system where you can instantly see what needs attention and what's already done. Now, inside each list, you create cards. Cards represent individual tasks or projects. For example, you might create a card called AI Tools for Creators, Finish Monthly Budget, or Workout Plan Week 1. To add more detail, click on a card. Inside, you can add descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, and comments. This turns each card into a mini command center for that task. To track progress more clearly, you can add custom fields. Click on Add to Card, then Custom Fields, and create checkbox fields such as 25%, 50%, and 75% completion. This gives you a visual progress indicator without moving the card too early. It's especially useful for bigger projects where you want to measure steady progress. Another powerful feature for productivity is labels. Open a card, click on Labels, and assign colors based on priority or category. For example, you can use red for high priority, blue for work-related tasks, and green for personal tasks. When you look at your board, these colors instantly show what needs urgent attention and help you balance different areas of your life. If you're working with a team or even just an accountability partner, you can share your board. Go to the top of the board and click Share. Enter their email address or create a shareable link. This allows collaboration, task delegation, and transparency. For productivity, collaboration prevents tasks from slipping through the cracks. Don't forget about the Inbox feature. Click on Inbox to show or hide it. If you send messages or reminders to your Trello email address, they appear here as cards. This is incredibly useful because you can turn emails into actionable tasks instead of letting them sit in your inbox. Now let's talk about views. Click on Views at the top of your board. Trello offers different ways to visualize your tasks. For example, if you add due dates to cards, you can switch to Timeline View. This displays your tasks in chronological order, helping you plan your workload across days or weeks. It's perfect for managing deadlines and avoiding last-minute stress. Finally, you can boost productivity even further with automation and power-ups. Trello's automation tool lets you create rules like automatically moving a card to completed when all checklist items are done, or assigning a due date when a card is moved to in progress. These small automations save time and reduce manual work. And that's how you boost your personal productivity with Trello, by creating structured lists, using cards effectively, tracking progress with custom fields, organizing with labels, collaborating through sharing, using inbox capture, switching views, and adding automation. You build a system that works for you instead of against you. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.